Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm doing this little quick video because I am preparing for graduation. Yes. So I've been working on my dress that I wanted to wear. I did order a dress off of Shein, but it doesn't fit, and I'm like, why are you ordering stuff when you know you wanted to make a dress? I could just make my own dress, but let's just take a moment to admire my hat. I made this probably like 2 years ago or a year ago, whatever. Either way. So, um, yeah, so I just want to talk a little bit about my thought process for the dress, and I'll show you what I have so far, and then this video won't be too long. So, I graduate in May 21st next month. So, I have about 30 days left until I need to get this dress done. Between schoolwork and everything else, I am busy. So I have to make sure I find time to crochet my dress. I did start making progress. I do like what I started off with. My original color, I either wanted to do white or I was thinking about green. But then I was like, instead of buying more yarn and crochets, we want to start a new project, we buy new yarn instead of using the yarn we have. So I'm like, let me use what I have. So then I started to um, work with what I had. So I have this for the top so far. One of them is going this way, one of them is coming up, which I like a lot. I will be, putting straps and then maybe taking this in a little bit more. But so far, this is what I have, and I'm loving the progress. This is the back, nice and stretchy and comfortable for me because you guys know my back is big. So, yes, this is what I have so far. I am thinking about making this a little longer, but I don't know. And also, fun fact, I have got this yarn from Walmart, this orange one, but I forgot that I got it from Walmart. So when I ordered more yarn, I ordered yarn from Michaels. So this is the yarn that I have from Michaels. As you can see, it's a different color, but once again, I wasn't upset because I'm like, this is my design. So however I decide to put it together, it'll be a part of my Beauty Crochet original. And I think I'm just going to do granny squares for the bottom, but it still will be my design. And I'm still thinking about ruffles, how long I want the dress, all that good stuff. And then I can wear my white heels and my hair be how my hair is going to be. And I'm going to call it a day. With that being said, Um, I will show you guys whatever I have done finished today. I'll show you the update tomorrow, but so far this is all I have. I really like the way it's coming out. I love the fit. I will insert a picture of what I look like, what it's going to look like when I put it on with this. I'm so happy that I decided to do the back stretchy. These are half double crochets. I was thinking about double, but I'm like, it's going to be too big and I want them to be a little more fitted. So I did half double crochets, but it's still stretchy in the back, which is very good because I want to be comfortable. I am chunky. Um, and I'm excited about my progress. And then you guys know that I have my tags. If you don't know, I'm going to show you right now. I have a lot of tags, so then I can put my tags on there, which is very nice. I'm so excited about that. I have my tag, so I can put my tag on there and everything will be great. So, like I said, I have about 30 days left until graduation. I've been supposed to be working out. I started, I stopped. But either way, that's good because I'm making my dress. So I know what my body would need. once I start, getting to the completion of the dress, I'll make it fit me. It'll be comfortable for me, and like I'll fit it to my body. Because if I buy it for someone else, I gotta worry about if it's too tight, if it needs to come be taken in. I don't want to do all of that. If I need to fix it, I can fix the dress myself. I can take out my work, tighten it up, and put it back together. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come show you my progress. I'm so excited about the dress. Um, how it's coming out. Let me show you guys the back again. I'm loving the back. I really do. I think I love the back more than the front. And I'm gonna incorporate the other orange so that way I can give a little, 1, 2, being that I had picked up the wrong orange, but it's going to turn out to be beautiful. I was going to say beautiful chaos, but not a beautiful chaos. But either way, I don't want to keep you guys too long. Stay tuned for the making of my graduation dress. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel because you're going to miss out on something so beautiful. Um, I think I'll be doing daily updates for 29 days. And then the day of the graduation, I will just show you guys the dress and take you through vlogging that part. And then I go to vacation the very next day. So that's going to be a separate video. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. I told you guys I wanted to post more. I always say that. And I just trying to look for a way, like, how can I post more videos? But I would just be showing you guys daily videos of these this what is this called, the dress for my graduation. So thank you guys for watching. Leave some suggestions, ruffles, no ruffles. Once you start seeing the full length of the dress, you'll understand what I'm talking about.